How to clear cookies on Mac. Cookie is a data that a site stores on your computer to make it easier for you to work with this site. For example, thanks to cookies, you don't need to enter your username and password on every page. Cookie is also used to collect statistics by advertisers. You may have noticed that from time to time you are haunted by online ads that you recently searched for on the web. This is not always pleasant, but it is not terrible, because cookies can be cleaned. We recommend that you clear cookie from time to time. Here are the main reasons why you should do this. 1. To prevent other users of your computer from using your usernames and passwords when logging into sites. 2. To avoid clogging up space on your computer's hard drive and thus slowing down your PC. 3. On the privacy side, cookie can be used to track your online activity, which is not very good. How to delete cookies in Safari. Open Safari. Then click on Safari in the upper left corner of the screen. Choose on the Preferences. Click the Privacy tab, then select Manage Website Data. Click Remove All. This button is located in the lower left part of the window. Click Remove Now when prompted. Safari cookies will be deleted. How to delete cookie in Google Chrome. Launch Google Chrome. Then click on Chrome in the upper left corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Clear Browsing Data. Select a time interval, then check the box next to Cookies and Other Site Data. Click Clear Data. This is the blue button in the lower right corner of the window. Chrome cookies will be deleted. How to clear cookies in Firefox. Open Firefox. Click History. This menu is located in the upper left part of the screen. In the drop-down menu, click Clear Recent History. Select a time interval and check the box next to Cookies. Finally, click Clear Now. This button is located at the bottom of the window. Firefox cookies will be deleted.